back to my top knot. You don't like that hairstyle there now. I'm not gonna take it down. Look like doodle on my head. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K-Rima, and for anyone that is new, welcome. Super excited about today's video. Drum roll please. So you guys, finally I was able to go into a store, and guess which store? None other than Ikea. So I got a lot of cool things for my beauty room, my glam office, and a lot of cool things for my fiance's office. So I'm super excited today. Super excited. So I am super excited to share all those cool things with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and also you guys to leave your comment, because I love to hear you guys comment, and I love responding. Okay, so without further ado, you guys, I'm just gonna get into this haul. All right, so I got a whole heap of things for you guys today, and like my excitement is beyond the room. Excitement up. So first things first, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the cool little smaller things, and then we'll get into the bigger things. All right, so first things first, my fiance picked up these plants. These are for his office, which, as you know, I'm helping to decorate, because if me leave it up to him, everything will be in one color. But yeah, he picked this out. I thought he did a good job. He picked out a few plants. Unlike him, I don't really have the patience, or I would say the nurturing hands, to take care of real plants like he does. A lot of the stuff he got are real plants. Yeah. As for me, mine is fake, as you can see. Them don't need no water, no sunlight. Them not go bother me. Them not go stress me out. Yeah, so these are some cool things that he got for him. On the topic of plants, I feel like I still have a lot of decorating to do where my office is concerned before I think of investing in any more fake plants. So I didn't really go crazy, but this here I thought was cute for my desk. And I got this little vase, whatever you want to call it, to go with it. I think it's perfect for my new desk, which I will show you guys later. And again, it goes with the color of everything, like the whole theme color in my glam office, which I'm so excited about. Okay, so again, these are some cool things that we picked up in Ikea. This is some Tupperware sets, ratted cup. They each came with 4. They came with the covers as well. And I don't know what it is, but every time my family member come over, my Tupperware go missing. It's like them always I take something to go. And it's so I bring back my things. Okay. Next thing, we picked out these cool little plush pink cushions. What do you call this? Pillowcase, in other words, cushion case. The plan I have for this is pretty much for my my office chair and my vanity chair. I plan to get cushions for it because it helps to support my back and my booty when I'm sitting there for a very long time editing or getting some stuff done for work and all that cool shit. What we went with, I was not able to find any like chair cushion in Ikea that was, I feel like, comfortable enough. So we're just gonna get like an actual cushion like pillow cushion and sit on it pretty much for now until I can find something better. Wow, we got a lot of things, man. So I decided I'm gonna show you what I have before in this clip right here. So as you can see, I went with rose gold initially for my shower curtain rods. I spray painted it myself. I did like the kind of vibe it was giving me, but my fiance was suggesting why not get a 2-panel. Did I just say shower curtain? curtain for my room. Why not get a 2-panel where I could display like, you know, like an accent color if I need to and stuff like that, and I can have the main color, or I can have the sheer in the middle and the main color at the ends or something like that. So I was like, that's kind of cool, especially for like nights when I'm filming. Initially I had just sheer curtains, but for nights when I'm filming, it makes more sense, or sometime in the daytime with the onshore natural light, I have to, you know, kind of draw the curtain and film. But these are the rods, which I thought was so cute and so glam. These, I am not sure. My fiance picked these up. I'll probably leave it in the description once I find out what it is, or put a little tag over it. Lord, what is this black thing? What? You what? Oh, I'm saying magnetic board. Excitement. I'm stushy? I'm so stush. Oh, it wants a stush. Yeah, and we picked out some of these cool, cute bags. We got the bigger size and the smaller size. Nice little shopping bag, beach bag, whatever you want to make of it. But I thought it was cute. I thought it was perfect. So up next, I'm going to show you the curtains that I chose. Well, we chose for his room, because the theme and the style that I think would be cool and I'm suggesting for his office is more like a black and white theme, because he's into like real earthy tones and really darker tones, but at the same time I feel like, you know, you need some little, you know, some like a niceness, some like a copper color and thing. This is his gray curtains. Rotted, one to my fingernail. Raw. I don't even know when that went missing. This is my curtains. Remember I was telling you earlier that we're doing the double rod for my office now. This is gonna be like the blackout curtain, but it's white. I just chose white for now because I feel like right now a lot of the things in my room is a lot of the plush pink, the rose gold, and I don't want it to become too overwhelming for me, so I rather just keep a lot of things plain and then have accents of the pink and the plush and the rose gold and stuff like that. So yeah, so this pretty much I wanted for so long. This is the magazine holder, them call them, or something like that. I plan to put a lot of like my documents and stuff like that in here, just a way to keep things organized, especially for my online business. When I want things scattered and all over the place, and then when I need to find my important documents, it's nowhere to be found. So this is gonna help me get a lot more organized, as you guys will see. I'm back. I also got it in, of course, again, you guys. Watch my ring light in the background. I got it in the pink. It's like a soft peachy color. The only thing I didn't like about this was the little blue, what do you call it, streaks in it. But overall, I like it. Otherwise, and the price was pretty good. I got it for, was it $2.99 or $3.99? Comes with two. It's like cardboard kind of material. So I thought, you know, it not gonna hurt. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. I move it somewhere else in the house. But it's good to have, I think. Remember reform. Remembrance. Why are we Jamaicans out of a change of things? It's like remembrance. This here is a memory foam. I said it right? Memory foam pillow. I have a really small one that I normally sleep on in my bedroom, but I always wanted to get a regular size one, and this one's gonna be perfect. I always need that like support in my neck and stuff like that, and I find that when I don't sleep on pillows like this, I wake up with back pain, neck pain, everything you can think of. So if you guys have like issues like that, I highly recommend investing in one of these pillows. So yeah, that is that. I thought he did a great job. Listen, don't get me wrong, you know, my baby knows how to decorate, but sometimes I'm just like to throw everything with everything. But this is so cute. Oh my goodness, it's like so crazy. Today we were ringing it up at the register, and the cashier went, did I just tap him in his butt? I apologize, sir, I did not mean to do that. But the cashier just went like crazy. She was like going crazy. It's like she didn't even know this was in the store, which is so bizarre. Now that I see him in person, hi, I like him even more. I told my fiance to kind of hold on to him tight because you might hear from the shout, I might end up turning him rose gold or pink. I love him. He's a little bulldog, and you know, we have a bulldog called Red. Not the nice one over there talking about earlier, not Oreo. He's called Red, and he's super sweet. He's like everyone's favorite, including mine. Yeah. So I thought this was cute. He went for this globe here, which I think is beyond amazing. I already have in my mind like nice cool places and can put it in my office, and I know Amy would probably throw everything but him desk, but this is so cool. Whew. Don't leave me, boy, please stay with me tonight. All right, so you guys, I am back with more plants. These are for my fiance's office again. Real plants. I am so curious to see how he's gonna really take care of these, but then again, a cactus, right? So they don't really need that much you already suffer. They don't really need that much attention. I love this one because it has the little yellow details on top. This one is cute as well. I think he's planning to change the color of this, which I think is fine because you know me love my pink. I have this one too. This one I think is super cute. We have some knobs here, some handles. I'm not sure. I'll find out from you. Some of my thing them now. We have this little cutie pie, which I'm so excited to use. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in there yet. What I noticed a lot of the YouTube influencers, they put like a little rose in there, like Beauty and the Beast effect. I might actually try that because I think that's cute, but we'll see. We'll see. And of course, oh my goodness, it smells like heaven. Oh, if heaven ever smell, I would imagine it smells so. This here is my candle. It's like the perfect size. The price was really good. And yeah, you see what color it is? All right. Okay, this here is his garbage can. Listen, if you see his garbage can in comparison to mine, you will laugh. I'm gonna have to like insert a picture here of my garbage can next to his. Like, mine can fit in here. And the reason why I did that with mine, because I want to limit the amount of garbage I have in my office. So, I know say, you see, make him go on. It's nice though, and it comes with a cover. More cool things for his office, you guys. This is his magnetic board apparently. So I don't know what that was earlier that he was telling me it was him. I don't know, maybe it's a part of it, but this is gonna be so cute. He has a nice little painting in the office as well. It's like, I forget what the map is. It's the map of something, but it's like all black. And I thought it was just sexy, like him. This I thought was amazing. He picked this out, and of course this is something I would have picked out as well. This will be his clock. Look at that, you guys. Wow. See where I'm going with this? Like, his thing is like a whole like black and white theme with popsicles here and there. This here I might have to stand up to show you guys because it's pretty big. Better yet, I'll show you what I end up doing with it when I'm done. I'm gonna put a really nice picture in here that my best friend created for me. And I recently broke the frame, so I went out and bought, you know, it's so crazy. How did I end up breaking that? I had that thing for years, and the moment I move it from where I had it, that's when it broke. I end up getting some little cute small ones. I'm gonna put some inspirational quotes in each of these little frames here. This one is his, as you can see, black. Oh, rotted. I end up to get this too? Oh no, okay, this is a storage box. Okay. So it looks like that pretty much. But yeah, good, because once I'm done with this haul, we're going to start decorating and putting together the pieces, the bigger pieces that we bought from Ikea today. So I found the cover. See it, yeah. This reminded me of like some old school Sesame Street garbage can, like some Oscar the Grouch type of style. So yeah, them keep it. This here is to drain my salads and stuff like that. From the other day, I don't know, when we're cooking, I just can't find my mitten them, and I just can't find my kitchen towel them. So we end up going for these guys, which matches the theme of our kitchen, which is like, you know, the whole this here is a drain mat, which I feel like we needed for so long. It's like a dark gray. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. More Tupperware, more storage. And then we have this here. I believe he's gonna be hanging this up and putting his phone and water view on this and that. So we're almost through this haul, you guys. There is a lot more things, but they're bigger, so I'm gonna have to show you after they're built. Probably my beauty room tour, or just insert a picture or something. Okay, so this here is gonna be like a cookie jar or something like that. I started making like keto chocolate chip cookies, and the other day I attempted to make some for the first time, but I had nowhere to really store it, so I thought I need a little jar. And okay, you know, I get a hat. I like a hat. So you guys, that is it for my Ikea haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course, leave your comment below and let me know what are your favorite items. Let me know if you have any suggestion on how to, like, you know, decorate the space. I know you guys don't really know how the space look, but like cool things that I could do with some of the decor that I bought, like, you know, some suggestions. I am open to that. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up, because you don't know, that helps my channel to grow. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Oh my goodness, I think the heat gets into me. It's so hot today here in New York. Until next time, you guys, our dad. Until next time, you guys, peace.